Good morning. My name is Kris Gopalakrishnan and I am the Executive Vice Chairman of Infosys Limited. I sit on the Executive Committee of the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, who invited you here today. My agenda did not allow me to be with you today at the launch of the India Water Tool. However, I wanted to bring a personal message to this day. As a company involved in collaborative efforts to develop the India Water Tool, I am proud that Infosys has been associated with such a project. We are pleased to have brought our IT and water-related domain expertise to the group, which is built atop our client engagement experience as well as our own internal water management experience. We have pulled this together with expertise from other companies operating in India to develop a tool that can help better prioritize the industry's water management practices. I believe that going forward, sustainability will be even more disruptive and transformational than the internet. In the renewed market order, the winners will be the ones who use sustainability to create new growth engines and design novel ways of thinking about old problems to gain competitive advantage. They will use technology as a differentiator to connect people, data, projects and programs, creating new insight and new way of doing things. But even as enterprises transform to capitalize on the sustainability opportunity, there are larger, more pervasive sustainability problems that the industry will need to solve collaboratively. So it's not surprising that 14 forward-thinking companies working in different sectors and locations across India have come together to solve the problem of water by developing the India Water Tool. There is no question that India is facing a water crisis. The Government of India has recognized the urgency of the water challenges and issued the National Water Mission to focus all stakeholders' efforts on conserving water, minimizing and treating waste, and ensuring equitable distribution. The government has asked all stakeholders to respond, and I am pleased to outline one action industry has taken. Although industry uses only 6% of water in India, this is predicted to rise. The industry has to play an important role to ensure adequate provision of water, crucial to India's continued growth. As industries develop, it is vital that they minimize their water footprint. The India Water Tool is one practical response to the challenge of good water management. It will add value to individual companies' tools and models on water management by taking them through a first step to understand and communicate their water risks. This in turn will help them improve their water use efficiencies across their sites. After using IWT, companies would carry out individual assessments at high-risk plants. This will provide a detailed understanding of the situation at that site so that they can develop a strong water management plan for that location. We hope the India Water Management Tool also helps drive progress towards one of the National Water Mission goals, to develop a comprehensive water database and cite it in the public domain. Businesses can innovate to find solutions to all sorts of challenges when the right data is available, accessible, and understood. The India Water Tool uses best available data that's already in the public domain. However, this currently only comprises groundwater data. I thank the Central Groundwater Board for their supportive role in providing this data for the tool. In the future, we hope it would also incorporate other data sets, for example, related to rainfall, river basin fluctuations, population densities, and user requirements and wastewater. As I close, I would like to reiterate that the tool is only the first step. For any company wondering where to start in improving its water management, it will set them in the right direction. The current version of the tool will not help a company understand water conservation opportunities at its site, nor help devise a plant-level action plan for water management. But we made the decision that it was better to develop and launch a version 1, have it in the public domain, and encourage others to use and provide feedback. So it will keep on evolving, building in more capabilities and helping companies as their own water management practices evolve. To other industry representatives in the room, I encourage you to download IWT and use it in your own decision-making processes. To Government of India officials in the room, I invite you to a dialogue with WBCSD and its member companies to learn more about our efforts on better water management across industry in India. To my fellow working group companies, thank you for having worked with Infosys to develop the India Water Tool. And to everyone there today, I leave you with my conviction that India will only be able to manage its watersheds adequately if we all work together on this issue. WBCSD member companies in India are ready and willing to have a dialogue with other stakeholders with whom we share water. We look forward to working with you on this.